My name is Alana, and I am the managed procurement lead here at Cofactr. So I basically do the buying for most of the materials that people order. I also do a lot of quoting for hard-to-find parts for customers.
I'm Sam. I'm the Director of Managed Services here at Cofactr.
My name is Dustin Barbin, and my role is a Managed Inventory Specialist.
I'm Patricia Castaneda. I work at Operations since 2022.
I think my favorite part is that this is sort of the only place I've ever worked where everybody seems so committed and so excited to be coming into work every day and doing what we're doing. I've really never worked anywhere where everyone is just so happy and really just enthusiastic about what we're doing. So I think that's absolutely my favorite part about being here.
I like that there's something new every day. It's not always the same. It's constantly evolving and changing what we have to do every day to make sure that it's all happening and working.
I really like the environment of working here, the atmosphere, and how actually people genuinely care about what each other does and how things work. And so working as a team is really easy.
I like a lot of things. I like the people, I like the pavement, I like what we do, I like everything. I'm very comfortable. It's been a great experience working at Cofactr.